NCLH stock analysis and NCLH stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out, because for me it's just so interesting, super interesting. So to say the least, for context, I've done 42,000 videos myself. Over 5 years, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and it's all documented like no one else in this space. So with NCLH, I said I want to see a double break from a swing perspective, and I already saw the first one. And that first one is such a beautiful setup, bro. Like, I quite like this, because like, even gonna get rid of that. But like, opening up on Monday, if I do see the confirmation for the whole week, like, nothing is stopping me from just doubling down and buying here. Nothing. I mean, when I say nothing, I really mean nothing. NCLH, let's pop up here. Oh, my bad. NCLH. Two results. You can see if you want to learn and want to stay tuned, want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But other than that, I also will continue to keep you updated, and that's all that.